Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use user underscore views data dictionary view to view information about all views that you own and how to drop a view. So here we have two simple practices. Write a query to display information about all views that you own. So we have a data dictionary view called user underscore views. Describe user underscore views and run the statement. So as we can see, we have too many columns in user underscore views. We can write a select statement to retrieve the view name and the text from user underscore views. Select view underscore name text from user underscore views. Run the select statement. So as we can see, we have 5 views. This is the view name and this is the select statement that represent the view. In the second practice, drop view called emp underscore svu, emp underscore view, emp underscore view40. We can run drop view and the view name emp underscore svu. Once finished, run the drop statement. As we can see, view emp underscore svu dropped. We can also drop the second view, which is emp underscore view, and run the statement, and also emp underscore view 40 and run the drop statement. And here view emp view 40 dropped. So in this practice we learn how to query information about all views that you own using user underscore views data dictionary view and how to drop a view. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.